to a part of town we've never been before. Gonna check out this Hanoian Mall that everyone's been talking about. Hopefully it's cool. Holy, she hasn't been in a stroller in a long time. First things first, mom and dad needed caffeine. And we picked a good day to go to the mall because it's hot. I mean, obviously I want to try Vietnamese food, but I just saw Popeye's chicken. I just saw Domino's pizza. I just saw Burger King. We're right here. Oh, you smiling? You smiling? This is a huge, loud, modern mall. You wouldn't even know you're in Vietnam right now.
Really nice, actually. We picked a really great day to come to a mall because it's spicy.
It is hot outside, yeah. This place looks like a big Starbucks ripoff. Like 100%. All my Warriors fans out there, let's go see if the Klay Thompsons are here. I never even knew this brand existed. Are these them? 2.1 million. Whoa, is D-Wade a Ling guy? I thought D-Wade was Reebok. What was, huh, it's interesting. I thought D-Wade was a Jumpman Nike guy. Mall so far, huge. Super like Western, like I don't even know I'm in Vietnam right now, but the prices reflect that. Everything's like really expensive. I saw like a light sweater cardigan, it was 500K. I was like, holy cow. Yeah. I mean, it's not expensive, but for Vietnam prices, you're like, whoa. Oh my God, we made it to the glorious food court level. Check it out. Well, that's one big, like, I don't know, Vietnamese style restaurant. Dim sum, some udon stuff right there. But it says dessert me, but it's hot pot. Bit tet ngon, yum. It's huge, this whole floor is food. All the way to that side too. What is this? Can I fit in there? Cowboy Jack, someone told me this was a good spot.
Are you waving to the camera?
All the restaurants here seem super good, but the thing is, dead. Not a soul in any of them. So it makes me question, what's the turnover? Like, how fresh can food be? Is it good? Having a really hard time picking where we want to eat. Everywhere in here is like dead, dead, dead. So we're like questioning the food quality. I might just hit up that fried chicken we saw downstairs. I might hit up that Domino's. I might hit up that Burger King. I might hit up that Popeyes. Those all seem like better options to me right now. Honestly, of all that stuff in the mall, this is what caught my eye the most. Here we go, a little two-piece combo from Popeyes. I love my fried chicken. You guys know that by now. Yummies. Looks good. Yeah. Crispy fried chicken. Not greasy. Good seasoning. A little spicy. I don't know if you blend it, but spicy. I thought it's not spicy, but woo. Oh yeah. Popeyes. That's pretty good. Popeyes fried chicken, what do you think? Not bad?
Not bad.
What? KFC, Churches, what do you like better? KFC, Churches, Popeyes?
Churches.
Churches. I'm a Churches guy too. I'll go Churches, Vietnamese KFC, Popeyes. Have you had Vietnamese KFC, Dad?
Vietnamese?
Vietnamese KFC in Vietnam.
I tried it.
You tried it?
I did.
I think it's way better than Canada KFC though.
I don't know. Maybe I hit a bad day or something.
That is true, they have bad days. They do have bad days. Yeah. These fries, seasoned. Yeah. Seasoned fries, crispy deliciousness. Biscuit. Oh no. That's terrible.
You deep fried it?
It's like a cracker, it's not like biscuity, it's like hard. Oh no. That's terrible.
I don't know, what do you guys think? Sushi? Too sketchy? It's almost like for kids, you know?
Yeah. Look at this, by piece. Crazy.
4,000. These are like little rice things,
Yeah.
which I think are gonna be good. But this is like salmon, I don't want salmon. Shrimp, I don't want shrimp. Grilled salmon. Spicy grilled chicken, I'm gonna try that. I'm okay with spicy grilled chicken.
Maybe
Or chicken and teriyaki. Let's do that one.
grab a salmon one too.
Salmon? Are you gonna do a salmon?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Salmon mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try this salmon. This salmon I will try. Everyone watching is just like, don't do it, Caitlin. You have a weak stomach, what are you doing?
Everybody, pardon my bad filming right now. I got baby in this hand, camera in this hand. Ballsy, Caitlin, you are ballsy. Rolling the dice. All right, this is supposed to be a really popular Japanese snack. We'll see how it tastes in Vietnam. So check it out, it was wrapped in a way where they have a plastic covering the seaweed from the rice so it doesn't get soggy. That's awesome. Wow. So it's like that. And then I guess there's salmon in there.
Sushi's really good.
First bite, all rice. We'll get back to it. It tastes like tuna fish in the middle of rice. But it's not tuna, it's salmon. It tastes like salmon fish in rice. It's just missing celery. It's not terrible. That's what it looks like. It's not bad actually.
Sushi is amazing.
What? Really?
Yeah. It's actually so good.
Whoa.
The tempura one, so crispy.
What? Oh. One, did you see her hold her fingers there to inhibit my bite so I wouldn't bite at all? Not the pro move. Two, it was still crunchy and it tastes pretty decent. Mall sushi. I'm impressed. Hey you. Yeah, sleepy times. You guys remember last time when I went to meet my buddy Long, it was raining really hard, and then we got there and the pho joint was closed? I've been thinking about it ever since, and it's a night joint, so tonight's the night, tonight's the night. Look at that tiny hole in the wall joint. It's like literally a hole in the wall. Stove pot in the wall right there. Look at that meat right there. Expert cutting too. This is it right here. The bowl that my man claims to be the best bowl of pho in Hanoi. Get to share it with my girl too. You excited, babe?
So excited. I'm in my baby.
Oh yeah. Look at this deliciousness. Oh, 2 types of meat here. They were slicing it. It looks so good. Ooh, it looks good. Oh yeah. Wow. That meat quality, so good. So tender. Like perfect fat to meat ratio, and it's like pull apart like you saw him cutting it. Wow. A little broth there. Oh. Really good beefy flavor. This really minute hint of ginger flowing throughout this broth. That's not like the other ones. I get the ginger hit first. I really think it's about this brisket right here though. This meat, holy, it's so good. Wow. Wow. My buddy Long does not disappoint. This is so good.
So good. The meat quality is really what shines in this bowl. The noodles are good, the broth is good. The pickled ginger, or the pickled garlic on the table is my favorite by far. There's like a little chili in there, so it's a little spicy. It all comes together really well.
I have not added any garlic or hot sauce or anything yet. I just wanted to taste the pure essence of the bowl first. It is fantastic. Now, I'm gonna season it up a bit. Pickled garlic, yes. Homemade hot sauce. Yikes! Yum. Oh yeah. Pickled garlic, a little hot sauce with that kick. Oh, it's amazing now. It was amazing before, now it's just woo, kicked up. Totally awesome bowl, 50K each, only one style there. You get both kinds of meat, so good. Highly recommend it. The address is right there. Woo.